Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to take you through the use of the ISNA command within Excel. It's an ideal command when we're using VLOOKUP. Quite often you'll find with VLOOKUP if a key doesn't exist in the table of values that you're looking up, you'll get a #NA, and then any sum totals that you try to take from a list are going to end up with #NA. It can be really annoying, especially for a new user who doesn't understand what's happening. This is a really easy way to get rid of them. Okay, so I'm going to first of all just do a normal VLOOKUP without the ISNA in, so just so we can show exactly what happens when we have a key missing. So equals if, in fact we'll just do VLOOKUP equals VLOOKUP. We're going to look up this key in this table, the second column, false. Okay, so in this VLOOKUP we're looking for cheese in this table, and we want to take the second column when we find it and pull the value back, so 10. So that's found our value of 10, which is fine. Now watch when I pull this down here. We're going to get 2 NAs because wine and bread don't exist in this table. Now, as I was saying before, if I put a sum in here, I'm going to get #NA as well. Okay, so how do we get rid of that? Well, what we do is we actually have to write 2 VLOOKUP statements within an if. So, okay, here we go, equals if is NA VLOOKUP our key in this table to false. We'll close the if is NA. I'm just going to copy this VLOOKUP because we're going to use it again in a second. So we're saying here that if this VLOOKUP brings back NA, so if it is NA, then if that's true, we want to replace it with 0. There is no quantity. Alternatively, if it's false, we actually want to do the VLOOKUP and return the value. So we're going to paste in that VLOOKUP that I just copied, close off the if statement, hit enter. Everything looks the same, and when I pull down this formula now, there we go. So it's actually running for each one the VLOOKUP twice. First of all, it's saying if it's NA, replace the value with 0, which it has done. If it's not, then run the VLOOKUP, which it has done for these two. Okay, I hope that explains the use of the ISNA within VLOOKUPs for you. And remember, if you want to find any more useful hints and tips on Excel and VBA, then you can always visit the website at www.hackingtutorials.co.uk.